So beautiful people, food is ready. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell to all. Like, share, comment. Subscribe for more videos. Share, like, comment. Okay? Mwah. Hi guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking for this video. If you are watching me for the first time, thank you very much. Subscribe for more video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I prepare my waakye. This is my Nigeria rice. So this is my beans. This is millet leaf. In Nigeria we call it kporo. So I don't know other place. So drop in the comment section what they call this leaf in your language. Okay, thank you very much. So this is waakye. I want to prepare it, so I'm going to wash the beans. So follow me. I enjoyed this video. Thank you. So I'm going to wash these beans. So this is my pot. So I'm going to pour hot water inside. Going to turn on fire. This is rice, the Nigeria rice. So I'm going to wash it with salt. So I'm going to wash the millet leaf. Because of dust. So this is my onion. I'm going to pour it inside the beans. So beautiful people, as you see, I'll boil the beans. I'm going to change the pots, and this is my rice. I've washed it. This is my millet leaf. So So I'm going to pour the beans inside. These are my salt. So hot water. So beautiful people, as you see, the millet leaf have changed the water of the rice. So I'm going to cover it. So beautiful people, I want to put egg inside. As you see, I've washed it. So as you see the rice, I want to transfer the rice here and fried pepper. So I'm going to pour my pepper. I've ground it with crushed pepper, tomato, so with ginger, garlic. Salt, this is my seasoning cubes. So viewer, these are the rice, the millet leaf. So this is Waakye. So I'm going to cover it so that the water will dry. So viewers, I'm going to put crayfish inside. So I've take the egg out, so I want to peel it. This is Dodo rice, Waakye. So I'm going to put more water to it. So here, this is the egg. I've peeled it, so I'm going to put it inside the stew. Stew is ready. So we are waiting for the rice. You know, Nigeria rice is always take time. So our stew is ready. So I want to off the fire for the stew. So see, this is Waakye stew. So people, as you see the rice, so I want to allow the water to dry, so the beans is soft. So So beautiful people, as you see the water as it has dry. So as you see, this is so I'm going to take the leaf out. beautiful people, the rice is ready. Rice is ready. So beautiful people, food is ready. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the notification bell to all. Like, share, comment, subscribe for more videos. Share, like, comment. Okay. Bye. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.